4 tips for choosing a bottle of wine at a store with confidence. Number 1, if you are totally new to wine, perhaps starting with a white or a rosé is a good idea. A lot of whites and everyday drinking rosés tend to have a little bit of sweetness, and in the beginning of your wine journey, sweetness is going to be your friend. Number 2, take your time to browse through the bottles. The back labels especially have a lot of key information in terms of the region the wine has been produced, the grape varieties that have been used, the alcohol levels that will tell you about the styles of the wines, the vintage and tasting notes, and the kind of foods that these wines are to be paired with. Don't feel rushed. Take your time to read through this information before making your choice. Number 3, buy younger wines. The older the wine, the better it is a myth in case of everyday drinking wines. It's quite the opposite. When you choose a wine that is younger, you have a better chance of finding a wine that is flavorsome and fresher. Number 4, don't be afraid to ask for help. Particularly in modern, sophisticated stores, the staff here is knowledgeable about wines, and their job is to help you make the right selection of wines based on your budget and the occasion. So don't feel intimidated. Go right ahead, ask your questions, and choose your bottle of wine. Cheers.